Kiss.
Oh, can you pick his nose?
Give her a kiss.
Can you give Emily a kiss?
Lily, get the freak out of the way.
Calvin, give her a kiss.
Emily.
Calvin, give her a kiss.
Lily! Hiya!
That'll be a good video.
Go away, Larry.
Calvin, give her a kiss.
Give Emily a kiss.
Oh. Wow.
All those alls are going to be on the video.
Yeah.
Good job.
Can you say bye-bye?
High five.
Yeah.
Yeah, do it again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Say bye-bye.
Can you say bye-bye? Emily,
You do
can
a
you
five
wave?
too, Emily. Emily, can you give me five? Do it. Yeah, just like that.
Oh, you gave Calvin a high five.
Oh.
Ah.
She's puckered up and ready.